Hi, let us see this problem. Find the trigonometric Fourier series expansion of f of t as shown. So this is the waveform which is given. We want to find out the trigonometric Fourier series expansion of this waveform. First, let us find out what is the time period of this given waveform. So you can see that this, I take this cycle. So therefore, this cycle is repeating. So therefore, take this cycle. So what is the time period? -1 to 1. So it will become t is equal to 2. So you can take also this cycle from 0 to 2, but you have to find out so equation of this straight line and equation of this straight line, the complexity of the problem increases. If you take only this portion as one cycle, you have to find out only one equation. So the simplification of the problem is very easy. Now, so let us find out this point in this interval -1 to 1. Let us find out the equation of this straight line. So this point is -1, 1. So this point is -1, 1, and this point is 1, 1. So now you can easily find out what is the equation of this straight line. So what is one point? -1, -1, and one point is 1, 1. So what is the slope? The slope is equal to 2 by 2. So which is equal to 1. Now by using this point and this slope, find out the equation of the straight line. So therefore f of t minus of -1 plus 1, so that is equal to m slope 1 into t plus 1. You can see that 1 gets cancels out. F of t is equal to t. So in which interval? F of t equation -1 less than t less than 1. So in this interval, the equation of f of t is t. It is straightforward since it is a straight line passing through the origin with a slope of 1. So therefore f of t is equal to t. Now let us find out the trigonometric Fourier series expansion of this f of t. Right there, the trigonometric Fourier series, the trigonometric Fourier series expansion of f of t is, so f of t, what is trigonometric Fourier series expansion? A0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega 0 t plus bn sin n omega 0 t in the interval. What is our interval? One cycle, that is t0 less than t less than t0 plus 2 pi by omega naught. First let us find out what is omega 0 for this problem. Omega 0 here, omega 0, so that is 2 pi f, 2 pi by capital T. What is the time period of the given waveform? 2. So 2 pi by 2, so it will come out as pi. You can substitute pi in place of omega 0. So actually we have to find out a0, an and bn, three coefficients. If you find out the symmetry in f of t, you can eliminate some of the terms. So let us see what kind of symmetry this waveform contains. You can see that in the integral 0 to 1, so the ramp is there. So integral 0 to -1, exactly opposite ramp is there. So therefore in the integral 1 to 2, the waveform is like this. Integral -1 to -2, exactly opposite nature is there. So therefore it is satisfying the condition f of -t is equal to -f of t. So that means the waveform contains odd symmetry. You can clearly check that the given waveform f of t or the given signal f of t contains odd symmetry. So therefore, what is the trigonometric Fourier series expansion? The trigonometric Fourier series expansion consisting of only sine terms and cosine terms are 0. So that is what you have to observe from this problem. So therefore, since the given f of t has odd symmetry, its trigonometric Fourier series expansion, it's a trigonometric Fourier series expansion consists of which terms? Consists of only sine terms. Remember that it's expansion consisting of only sine terms. So that is the important point you have to observe. So this is the important point. So therefore, which coefficient is 0? So therefore, an is equal to 0. So in this equation, you can clearly see that in this equation, so the trigonometric Fourier series expansion consisting of only sine terms, the cosine terms are 0. So therefore, this entire terms is 0. So that is what you can observe from the symmetry. Now you have to calculate A0 and Bn, substitute, the problem will be over. So let us find out what is A0. So average value or DC value of the given waveform. So therefore, what is A0 formula? So A0 formula is very simple. 1 by T integral T0 to T0 plus T f of T dt. So which is called as average value or DC value of the given waveform. So what is the time period of the given waveform? 1 by 2. So what is the cycle we have taken? Integral minus 1 to 1. So in this interval, what is f of t equation? T dt. So you can clearly check that. So 1 by 2 into what is the integration of t square by 2? Write it 2 outside t square. Substitute the limits minus 1 to plus 1. So the answer will come out as 0. So the average value of this waveform is 0. Average value of this waveform is 0. So you can clearly check that. You can clearly check that in the previous problem also I have mentioned over one cycle, if the positive area is equal to negative area, you can see that the positive area and is equal to negative area over one cycle, the average value of the waveform is 0. So that is what you have to observe by seeing the signal itself. You can say that the average value, whether the average value is 0 or not, by seeing the f of t itself, you can able to tell whether average value is 0 or not. So for this waveform, it is clearly notice that the average value of the given waveform is 0. Now let us find out what is the value of Bn. So Bn. So what is the formula? 2 by T integral T0 to T0 plus T f of t into sine n omega 0 t dt. So what is omega 0 for this problem? So omega 0 we have 5. So 2 by 2 it will become 1. Integral minus 1 to 1. Integral minus 1 to 1. F of t in this interval is t sine. What is this? N pi t dt. So let us expand these terms. So let us integrate this t into sine t. So it will become, so UV rule, apply UV rule for this problem. First function into integration of second function cos n pi t by n pi minus differentiation of integration of differentiation of t is 1, sin n pi t is minus into minus plus cos n pi t by n by, if you again integrate, it will come as sin n pi t by n square pi square. Substitute the limits minus 1 to 1. So you can clearly find the answer for this. If you substitute 1 here, so it will become minus cos n pi by n pi, the first term you can see. The second term sin n pi is 0. If you substitute in place of t is equal to 1, sin n pi is 0. If you substitute the lower limit, you can clearly see the lower limit, minus lower limit in place of t minus 1, minus into minus plus. Cos n pi of minus 1 is cos n pi. So cos n pi by n pi. So if you substitute in place of t minus 1, this term is 0. So what is the answer for this? Minus 2 cos n pi by n pi. So this is the coefficient Bn. Now just substitute this, the answer will come. So therefore, what is our trigonometric Fourier series expansion? I am again writing A0 plus summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an cos n omega 0 t n pi t plus Bn sin n omega 0 t n pi t in the interval minus 1 less than t less than 1. Since f of t has odd symmetry, an is equal to 0, so therefore this entire term is 0. The average value which we got is 0. Just substitute summation n is equal to 1 to infinity. What is Bn value? So the Bn value is minus 2 cos n pi by n pi into sine n pi t. So in the interval -1 less than t less than 1. So this is your answer f of t. So let us take it 2 pi outside, just substitute. So n is equal to 1, 2 like that. If substitute n is equal to 1, cos pi -1, minus into minus plus, so it will become sine pi t. So if we substitute n is equal to 2, cos 2 pi 1, so it will become minus 1 by 2 into sine 2 pi t, plus if you substitute n is equal to 3, cos 3 pi -1 minus into minus plus 1 by 3 into sine 3 pi t minus so on. So this is the expansion of one cycle. We are approximating one cycle of the given waveform. So this is the answer for this problem based on the symmetry conditions. Okay. So this is the answer for this problem. We use symmetric conditions in this problem. Thank you.